Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can disable your friend activity on your Spotify client on your desktop device. So this will work on Mac, this will work on Windows, and I did do an Android tutorial, but this is the desktop version. So the process is very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is log into your Spotify account. Then at the top right hand corner you'll see your profile name with a drop down menu arrow. Tap on the drop down arrow and then you want to tap on settings. From here, what we're looking for is the social tab or the social section, and here it is right over here. So you can see the fourth option is share my listening activity on Spotify. So for you it's going to be on like that. So all you need to do is make sure it looks like the bottom one grayed out, so toggle it to the left and then that'll be disabled. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.